Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and let me first show you the post. I posted the video, I posted today, maybe 16 hours ago, that which coin should I predict in my next video, and 43% of the voting goes to TLM coin. So 32% was the Wink, 6% BTT, XRP, and ADA respectively. So I've got 144 votes, and so I thought, why not I make a video on the TLM coin, although I have already made a video yesterday, 2 days ago. So let's make another video on the TLM coin, because the TLM, I think many of my subscribers favorite coin, TLM. So in the last video, let me show you guys, let me increase the screen. Okay, here let me show you. If I turn off the EMAs for now, so you guys can understand, I predicted the price here. Okay, this was the candle where I predicted the price in the last video. Let me show you guys this one. You see this one, this candle. If I go here, this doji type candle, and the next candle here I predicted, where I made the video, and there I give you the two possible scenarios, whether the price could go up or the move down. But the price went up here and got rejected, and now made a new swing low, a new swing high, sorry, and lower high, and after that the price went down and is testing this Fibonacci level. So let's understand here. This one here I made the video. Okay, the price went up, got rejected from this level. Okay, this was let me show, this was the 6.16 is the Fibonacci level. Fibonacci levels are very important, okay, but it got rejected before. Now the price is going down. You see here we got some consolidation here, the consolidation here. Now we are again making another consolidation here. You see, this is ladder down. You see a ladder down pattern. Just try to visualize with the help of the pattern. You see, the price came down. Let me show you again. Let me draw the patterns again. The price is in the consolidation, then went down, consolidation, then a retest here, then again came back, consolidation, again came back here, consolidation. So this is a ladder down. Okay, price is going down this way. Now right now the price is going to test, because this, due to this large red candle, which means a lot of sellers are there, a lot of sellers are here at this area right now. Okay, and this is the local support, which is here, this one, that's around 0.35. okay, and right now the price is in this range, and if any candle breaks below, then we are surely going to test the 0.29 level. Why? Because you see, back there is a consolidation phase here, you can see. Also a 0.786 is a very important Fibonacci level, and if we go down below, you see the candle is making a body lower on the lower side because of the pressure, selling pressure on the top side. So this is an important factor here. Let me name it as well. Let me show you with the help of, where is the price one, sorry man, this one. Okay, the price label, this one would be, yeah, this one. So let me make it black, and the writing should be green. The green one would be good. Okay, and make it larger. Okay, here you see 0.339 is very important, because it is, it is standing at, it is a local support on the Fibonacci level 0.786. If we break this candle, this area, what would happen? We are going to test the 0.298 9 level. Okay, sorry about that. So we have to wait for the candle. Right now the candle is very small, and might be this is due to the very small volume. The volume is very less. Okay, the volume is very less. Let me check with the help of the volume. If we look at the volume here, you see down there the volume is absolutely low. You see here, very low volume. The upward move is not spotted. You see, if the volume could have increased, and this could have stayed at that way, but the volume could have moved up, then we could have said that the price is going on the upward direction, but it's not. Okay, why? Because the upward move, the green volume bar is not supporting the this green candle. So what does it mean? That the upward move is not spotted right now, and we are going to see pretty much this level 0.2989 in the shorter time frame. And as you can see, if we look at a bigger picture here, we can see that this level here is the main level, which is at 0.1940 with a local support at here. So what I am expecting right now, if we look at here, good candle, this was a big huge candle here. You see here, this one was good candle here. And what I am expecting right now, that we might have to wait. If you want to put a buy order, you can set a buy order here at 0.2989 for now, because we need some good volume. You see the volume is going down here. Okay, and the price is also going down, but its consolidation is in the consolidation, and also in the downtrend as well, going like a ladder trend. So what I'm expecting right now is, for example, if this candle breaks down, then surely we are going to go down to this level 0.29, and then in the bounce back we are going to see price movement like this. From there we can also consolidate here, or it should go down to this level as well. So that's the current scenario, guys. Let me show you with the help of some volume as well. I'm drawing the EMAs so that you can understand. Let me show you with the help. This is on the 8-hour chart. You see, this is the 8-hour chart here. This one, the yellow line, is the 8 EMA. This is the fastest EMA. You can see, if we go back here, whenever this 8 EMA crosses the green line, then we are in the uptrend with the fast moving uptrend. Okay, but here we see when this line crossed all the lines, all the other EMAs, we were in the downtrend. You see, so right now the price needs, if in order for the price to move up, we need to break above this 8 EMA. This is the fastest EMA. So the fastest EMA, if the price is going if the price is rejecting from the 8 EMA, it means that the price is going very, in the short in the downtrend, and very fastly. So, and also you see this one is a 50 EMA, and we are way below the 50 EMA. Right now we surely are in the downtrend, going down like this one. So in the days to come, I'm expecting the price is going to hit 0.2989 zone. If we can also go down to the bottom as well, 0.1940 here, you see. So we might expect some downtrend to 0.2989. So for in the short term, I'm expecting this price to get hit 0.29, 0.33, 0.29 is coming very soon. After that, we might see if volume gets spotted here. Let me show you with the help of this one was this. Let me show you with the help of stochastic RSI for the last confirmation. You see here, if you look at the lines here, let me just minimize here so that you can get the idea. If we look at here, the blue line here, the blue line has also crossed the red line, which means we're going down again. Okay, and right now if you see the line here, this one is also going down like this one, you know, perfectly in trend, in the downtrend. You see the price from, if we look at the price candles here, perfectly going down here like this one. So if we see that the RSI goes above or breaks this trend line, then we can say the price is going on the upward direction. But for now, the price is going in the down direction. So this is the current scenario, guys. Just wait for the, if you see the, if we see that this candle breaks above this level 0.41 and gets rejected here, or maybe some consolidation here, then we can say that we are going in the upward direction. We need to at least this is the previous swing high. Okay, we need to break above this level in order for the price to move up. Okay, but if the candles stay below this level, then surely we're going down to this level 0.29, 0.33. So that's it, guys. That was the price prediction of TLM. I'm gonna post another post, sorry, so that you can give your votes, and then we can make a video on that. Take care. Bye bye.